In today's 3-minute message, we dive into practical uses of artificial intelligence for your startup business. Let's get started.
The emergence of artificial intelligence offers powerful tools to support many of the tasks that startup businesses must undertake. AI offers practical applications across various business areas, including customer engagement, data analysis, automation, and enhanced decision-making. These applications can improve operational efficiency, boost revenue, and enhance customer experiences. In order to take advantage of this technology, new business owners must understand how to access it and where to use it for maximum efficiency. Popular tools include AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Claude, DeepSeek, and Gemini, as well as AI-driven search engines like Perplexity. These tools allow users to use common language queries to interrogate powerful foundation models without the user having to have a high level of technical skills.
But what does this mean to startup business owners? Much time can be spent researching a subject, only to find that interpreting what you find is difficult or confusing. Using ChatGPT as the query tool for this example, I ask, show me a graph on the most cost-effective ways to ship small packages from Los Angeles to Pittsburgh. ChatGPT returns a graph with some text, but I'm still unclear on what I'm seeing. With ChatGPT's multimodal capabilities, I then paste in the graph and ask questions about it, making it much easier to interpret data from the graph quickly. I can ask as many follow-up questions as I like. In minutes, I have a qualified answer and a much better understanding of the subject. Legal documents can be very confusing for a new business owner. AI queries can point out language and offer definitions and examples of what that language means. Simply paste the document, or paragraphs from it, into the query tool and have it analyze what it says. Ask as many follow-up questions as you like until you completely understand what you are reading before you sign it.
There are many other uses of these tools. Examples include supply chain optimization. AI can be used to forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and improve logistics, reducing costs and improving efficiency. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks in accounting like data entry, sorting transactions, and reconciling accounts, improving efficiency and reducing human errors. AI can help analyze your customer data to understand their preferences and behaviors, allowing you to offer personalized product recommendations, marketing campaigns, and customer experiences. The uses for AI are endless, and for the small business startup, can offer an extra set of hands. Most query engines are free to use, and many times you can sign on using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple IDs. We recommend you get a new ID specific to that tool. We hope this gives you food for thought, and we will continue this topic in our next 3-minute message. Until then, good luck with your startup business.